little tip on how to get these flywheel bolts out. So when you regularly try to do it, the whole thing will spin, right? Bottom this bitch out till it gets to the bottom of the pan, and then grab it firmly and don't pussy put around, just straight shank that bitch like a hammer, and it's gonna break it loose. Boom. And then you'll get it all the way out. Alright, get that bitch out. Show y'all. See if I can do this on one hand. This on a Jeep Cherokee, by the way, but if you work on transmissions, then you know what's going on. Shaky. Boom, so we got that one out, right? And the next one, right? So I grab my wrench, I get it on there. Right. Then I pull it around to this gap right here. You see it's more space right there? Get it around. Oh, fuck. One hand is not working out. Alright, excuse my language. I get it over there, right? Get it over there. Right. Got my 14 in my. Alright, so I take my 14. Put it on there. It on there. Just start twisting it. It's bottom now right there. A little extra. Make sure it's all the way on there. And then quick tug. Quick tug. Look at it loose. At this point, I can just grab my ratchet wrench, or you can keep using that. The choice is yours. I feel like I have more space with the ratchet wrench. Get it right up on there. Get it out. Righty tighty, lefty loosey. That's how I'm doing it. It's good. Damage the pan. If you feel like you're gonna damage it, just put like a towel or something in between it.